पूरे देश में कोरोना की भयावहता को देखते हुए मेघालय सरकार ने वैसे तो लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाया है, परंतु एक के बाद एक प्रतिबंध लगा रही है ताकि राज्य में कोरोना के बढ़ते रफ्तार को काबू किया जा सके, खास तौर पर राजधानी शिलांग में, क्योंकि कोविड के ज्यादातर मामले शिलांग से ही प्राप्त हो रहे हैं। इसी संदर्भ में कोविड की समीक्षा बैठक में यह फैसला किया गया कि 22 अप्रैल से शिलांग के सभी गैर जरूरी सेवाओं को बंद कर दिया जाएगा, जैसे स्विमिंग पूल, बार, सैलून, ब्यूटी पार्लर, सिनेमा हॉल और शिलांग के सभी पर्यटन स्थल। इसकी जानकारी उप मुख्यमंत्री प्रिस्टोन तिनसोंग ने संवाददाताओं को समीक्षा बैठक के बाद दी। तिनसोंग ने बताया कि शिक्षण संस्थान कॉलेज से लेकर स्कूल तक बंद रहेंगे, केवल ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की इजाजत होगी।
Taken today is about the non-essential shops. I would like to inform that the decision is taken today that from the 26th of April up to 2nd of May 2021, non-essential shops in and around Shillong area will be closed. Non-essential shops in Shillong will be closed from 26th of this month up to the 2nd of May. All the details of these non-essential shops, we have directed the Deputy Commissioner to issue a separate notification. I think you will be able to get the notification, all the details from the Deputy Commissioner Shillong. And the last decision we taken today, the government employees now is reduced to attend their respective offices up to 33%. The next decision that we taken today, again in Shillong agglomeration, the government has taken a decision to close down gyms, parlors, salon, cinema, swimming pool, bars from 23rd of this month up to 30th of this month. From 23rd up to 30th of this month. Kaway pagkaray kabangisim na kaliyang kasorka colleges, institution located within Shillong agglomeration will be closed up to 3rd May 2021, except those college institution who is having an exam centers. They can continue. They are exempted from closure. And again, in addition to this, the government has taken a decision, online classes in those colleges as done earlier, it should continue. The teachers, the lecturers is allowed to attend their normal duties in their respective colleges. Kaway karay kagishim mentagaski. We taken today as far as East Khasils is concerned, because as I've already told you, the positive cases that has happened till today, maximum are here in Shillong agglomeration. Therefore, today again the government has taken a decision. Those tourist spots located within East Khasils district will be immediately closed down. Will be immediately closed down till 30th of this month. Till the 30th of this month, tourist spots located within East Khasils will be closed down. Ka rai ka bingishim ka baar menta kaski ha